Channel, and today we are going to solve Leetcode 278 first bad version. you're you're a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. Suppose you have n versions 1 to n and you want to find out the first version 1 which causes all the following ones to be bad. You're given an API boolean is bad version to check whether the version is bad or not. Implement a function to find the first bad version. You should minimize the number of calls to the API. So like if you read the question, you may understand what he explains. So he's trying to say means like he will be giving a number where we need to find the first bad version. That means if a number is bad version, then the all the numbers after that number will be definitely bad ones, right? So to understand in a better way, let's let's take an example. So uh, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 and 5. Like if here if you see here, like if 2 is the bad version, then if 2 is the bad version, then definitely 3, 4 and 5 will be bad versions. So like he's asking us to find the first bad version. He will give the n where n is he will give the n where n is equal to n starts from n where n starts from and something like 2 to the power of n. So what's here we need to find means let's find out it. So here he's asking us to find the first bad version. So what's the first most thought that comes to your mind if you see this problem? Like in my mind, I think I got uh, to traverse the array into and to traverse the array from first position to entire thing. Like here he didn't give the array, but he's saying us to start from 1 and go till 5. So can still use array concepts here I in range len of not len of n plus 1 and array starts from 1, and we need to check each and everything from if is bad version of 5 is equal to true, then we need to return the first one, right? This is how my approach is. This is the brute force approach, and let's optimize this if further. We expected that we got time limit exceeded error. Since he's expecting us to find this problem within big O of login, like how we need to find this problem can be solved in big O of login. That means in binary search. He telling us to he given a sorted in a sorted fashion, so we can use binary search. So I took a binary search where I started from where I where I took S here and then E here, and I will be finding mid M, and I will check if the mid is the bad version or not. If the mid is bad version, then I will change this E to here, like which is E is equal to mid minus 1. mid minus 1. And if the mid is not the bad version, like if it returns the false, this is equal to mid plus 1, I will move forward. Let's run this.